Welcome to Ikkura Race to 100K Challenge. This is the trading day 29th of May 2020. You can see it is nighttime for us right now, and that's because we were not able to film earlier in the day. But that also means we've already kind of looked at our portfolios because we couldn't wait.
I haven't.
You didn't.
No.
After you said hey, I'm going to look, I was like, yeah, okay, let's look. And so I looked at
Oh,
mine.
okay.
So I know the
Yeah.
answer. So I can't give a prediction, but let me tell you where I'm at.
Wait. No, because remember the person who opens,
Oh yeah.
lets the other person go first. So let me just see whether I think yesterday. So I opened.
Yes. Excuse me. Very very discourteous of me. Um,
Yeah, rude.
Very rude.
Okay. So I was at 5881 yesterday.
Yeah.
I believe that I am at 6263.
Oh, nice little game. Okay.
Little gain. Yeah, let's open it. See. Friendly game.
Oh,
666. Devil time. 6662.
wow. Actually, that's an impressive gain. And is that all like your puts just gaining?
It all came from one thing and one thing alone, baby. Zoom.
Zoom has such an outsized influence on your portfolio. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah. Okay. Well, it could have been. I'm beating myself, but I'll run through this very quickly.
Okay.
619, gain of 619. Basically everything went down. I am pretty annoyed. I was sitting on these puts, and I was expecting the reaction from the Trump China announcement to be scary, but instead the market decided that there was no big deal, and everything just jumped. So that destroyed a lot of my put positions, really wrecked them.
That is so
but-
silly. Wow.
Yeah, but on the bright side, what happened? Zoom jumped 9%, and there goes. I went up 1K with my Zoom, and so it offset a lot of the puts that I'm holding. Again, I am very excited to reorganize my portfolio. I just need to get rid of some things. I have a lot of options expiring by Friday, this coming Friday.
Yeah.
So that's it really. Yeah, space had a nice little jump as well because I don't know why it jumped, but it went up by 3%. But I think it's going to be really exciting to see what happens with Zoom on Friday. That's when they report the earnings, or is it Tuesday or Wednesday? So I may let go of Zoom pretty soon.
Oh wow.
It's been a really crazy ride with them. Yeah, I'm not sure I want to hold. I don't know. Actually, I don't know. It depends. I mean, we'll see. I either hold and regret it or hold and happy I did it. But
Yeah.
That's it for me.
But I do see that you sold your SPY put. Why did you?
I got rid of the SPY put at 202. I mean, it was worth $18. Just get rid of it. It's just
Fair
draining.
enough.
Yeah.
Okay. So I already know what my value is at, so I really can't guess. So I'm just going to send this over to you so you can be surprised by.
What were you yesterday? Let me see what you were yesterday. Yesterday you were 1358.
Yes. So I had a bunch of puts and calls expire yesterday.
No change. Huh?
Nice little tiny bump.
Oh, 2%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you what I did. So,
Okay, tell me what you did.
So SPY yesterday opened low and pretty quickly went down. And so I figured that was a great time to buy a call before I went to bed. And then I also bought a put on a limit order at a pretty good price, or what I thought was a good price. And so that actually got filled because SPY jumped from 301, actually 300 was the low, and it went back up to 304 by the end of the day. And then in aftermarket, it's at 306.
Yeah.
So really, really nice gain. This call that I bought, which is a 305 call, really saved me on my portfolio value. It gave me an extra $100, which brought me back to par. And the put that I bought has lost a little bit of value. But if we factor in after hours trading, then there's another $400 gain, which is awesome. But we never know if SPY is going to open where aftermarket and pre-market is or not. So I'm very curious to see what it does on Monday morning.
Yeah.
So we'll see. That's what I did. All the other stuff that expired kind of sucked. My American Airlines put got sold for $3 automatically. That kind of sucks. It was like a couple cents in the money at that point. So everything else I lost out big on. Yeah.
You seem to be becoming quite handy at trading SPY.
Yeah, not too bad, right? Like I'm able to ring fence about what it can drop to and about what it can top out at. Within certain margins. I don't think that will be like all the time, but when I see it moving a certain direction, I'm looking at the charts now and I can see where there's going to be like some resistance. And sure, it could completely break out of that, right? But what I think is still true is that SPY will, it's either going to drop down to like 298, 297 and test some moving averages, or it's going to skyrocket up to like 308. So I believe it'll go up to 308. I just don't know how quickly. And then it's going to come down and test some lows. So on the next low that it tests, which is anywhere around like 302 or 301, I'm going to sell this put that I purchased, which is the SPY 300 put. And then when it skyrockets up to 308, I will sell these calls. And hopefully I can profit like $500-600 off of that. So I'm hedging bets a little bit, but I'm now just trying to time the sell over the next 3 days. And we'll see how it goes.
Great. Cool. Okay, well,
that's it.
Good check-in. Have a good weekend. I'm actually very excited for this week. I didn't accomplish my goal of breaking 8K. Every week I started off with wanting to like get back to 10. So, but fingers crossed, this could be the week. So let's
this very well could be the week. I mean, lots of stuff is happening in China-US relations.
And the US. Have you seen those protests going on?
Yeah. The market doesn't seem to care, but wow, it's crazy.
Yeah.
So we'll just have to see what next week brings. It'll definitely bring a lot of stuff. Very exciting. Okay, guys, enjoy the weekend. We will see you on Monday. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below, and we will see you next week.